Hi, it's Judy here, and today on kindyRock TV for Teachers, I wanted to talk to you about using other things for instruments. So it's a great idea to get what you've got in your cupboards and use them as instruments and really explore them. So I can take these two things, this is a chopstick and a little small bowl, and make lots of different sounds on them. Depending on where I hold it on my hand, it's quite loud. I'm not even hitting it hard. On the side is different, on the rim is different, inside is different. You can get some nice round movements going here with your chopstick, and playing, if you're holding it tight, it makes the sound different. So it's really good to explore different sounds. Then I've also got just a little cup measure, so the same things, makes a nice tapping sound, different sound on the side, different sound on the top, different sound inside. And then we can use just plain ordinary wooden spoons, which is really nice. And I found a couple of other things in the cupboard that you probably have got. We've got a nice, this is a sieve. You can use inside, tap on the outside, tap on the top. Even the handles makes different sounds. And then I've got a grater, and that makes great sounds. Great. Depending on which side you're using. You hear how it's different sounds, and you can tap again on the different parts inside it as well. And finally, I've got some plastic plates. These are really good and easy and very, very affordable if you've got a lot of children. You just want to try something a little bit different. So you can make all sorts of different sounds on these again. You can bang them together, two. If you hold them differently, it makes a different sound. It's just on the palm of my hand if I hold it. So you can really explore with the children, closing their eyes, trying to make different sounds. So I'm just going to play a little bit of music and play along to it. I want you to think about playing to the beat, and which is a really good skill for our children to do, and having some fun. Okay, here we go. Idea of that. So grab what you've got in your cupboards, find some other things, and just get some fun happening in your music time. That's it from me today. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's do the kindyRock twist. I'm gonna twist so